Hey y'all, welcome or welcome back to my channel. I am Janisa with Forbidden Couture Plus, where we talk about all things fashion, beauty, and lifestyle. If you are new to my channel, what's up? And if you are not, hey, y'all know how we do. So today I just wanted to do a quick video just to show y'all this cute little wig that I got. So a local stylist, hairstylist here named Tina, the owner of Paparazzi Hair Studio. I probably missed some words, hair spa, all that. But Paparazzi here in Des Moines, Iowa, did a auction, a A-list celebrity wig auction. And we were able to bid on an array of wigs that she had. To name a few styles, she had Kerry Washington, Toni Braxton, Cicely Tyson, Fantasia. I'm missing somebody, y'all. She had a lot of A-list celebrity wigs that she made. She did this auction. She posted on Facebook, I think it was Friday, that she was doing an auction on Saturday morning from 9 a.m. to 11 a.m. And the bidding had to start at $100. So we got to auction off to purchase one of the wigs. So I'm just now getting into the whole like little wig thing or whatever, and I guess it's because I'm really getting to the point where I'm tired of doing my hair, so I'm getting into that. And I thought it was fun. It's a pandemic right now. Everybody needs help. As we all know, beauty shops, barber shops, nail salons, all that good stuff, all those essential things to beautify us, to make us feel good, are closed right now. So if you don't know how to do it on your own, you might be struggling. I don't know how to do these nails on my own, so I'm struggling. Me and my best friend were together when we seen this pop up on our Facebook, and I'm like, yo, that's so dope and that's so creative. Like, I'm not losing out on anything. If I win the auction, it's because I bid the highest. I didn't have to. The only money I had to put in is because I won. So I'm gonna just get right into it. Out of all the wigs that was on there, short wigs, maybe shoulder length wigs, bobs, Chinese back, like all that good stuff. So I seen this Kerry Washington wig, and it was like asymmetrical in the back. Y'all, it's so dope. And to be quite honest, I kept seeing for the last like maybe month, like my eyebrows are growing in, and y'all can't tell right now because I beat them for the gods. You heard me? I beat them for the gods. I was like, I would love to have a Chinese bang wig right now, or Chinese bangs in general, because these eyebrows are unruly. And I'm excited to see how cute and how thick they'll be when all the shops and all that open back up, so I can go ahead and get them threaded, because I feel like my eyebrows are a little thin and I'm like, I want them to be thicker. But anyway, so I seen the Kerry Washington wig and I'm like, yo, that's dope. Like, that's dope as hell. Like, I think I want to auction on that. So me and my best friend was trying to decide when we were gonna get in on the bidding on Saturday morning. So I was like, let's get on between 10:55 and 10:58 because the auction ended at 11 a.m. So we got on about 10:55 and the numbers was dropping. People was coming in. So I'm like, you know what? I'm about to mess with people, and they put $135. I'm about to put $136. So I'm just seeing where people's minds are and where their numbers are at for this auction. So we're going. She's going and she's battling back and forth with somebody. I'm battling back and forth with somebody. So then I stopped for a little bit. I kept refreshing the page, but I stopped for maybe 2 minutes. And at exactly 10:59, I think the person before me put $140, and then I put $141. At 10:59, I believe it was, I put $145. Auction was over, so I knew I had won. Well, I was hoping I had. So yeah, me and my best friend want to show love because she's so dope, she's so professional, and I originally had a hair appointment set up with her before they closed everything down for the pandemic, and she hit me up to let me know, my appointment would be canceled until further notice, but when they get to the point of opening back up, that I would have first choice on scheduling my hair appointment. So let me get into this wig, y'all. Look at this box. Ain't it so cute? Hopefully the light shows it for y'all. But look how cute it is. It's so cute. Oh, it's real cute. So, and this is going to be my first time opening it. I don't even know what's in the inside. I don't know how it looks. None of that stuff. Because I just trust Tina. So it's like... it's all wrapped nice. So, let's see. Okay. So inside is her business card. Let me get in on that. Don't pay attention to my nails. Y'all know we struggling. And yeah, Paparazzi Hair Studio and Spa. Here's this. Hopefully y'all can see that just in case you want to hit Tina up. Or follow her on Instagram or Facebook, all that good stuff. It's a card. Let's open it, y'all. Oops. And it says, thank you very much. It says, thank you, Paparazzi Hair Studio. Hashtag the camera loves you. Show do. Show do. Here's the wig. Y'all got a big head. So I can't even try it on with my head and these braids. But let's get her together. Okay, y'all see a little bit of her. I should have put it on a wig head so y'all could see how it looks for real. But anyway. So here is the front of it. Y'all see these little nice Chinese bangs. Hopefully you can see how it's like, how the wig is. Maybe if I turn it so y'all can see the back. Ain't that so cute, y'all? Like, if you know me, baby, you know this is something totally different for me. Like, I'm either braids, my natural hair, or curly sew-in. I used to have Chinese bangs, but that was back when I had a perm, when I had a cream and crack. Now, baby, natural. But yeah, so this is new for me. Like, yeah, this is different. This is cute, and I can't wait to wear it. Like, this is cute. This is dope. It's gonna be something new for me. Gonna be having me feeling hot to try. You heard? But yeah, that's her. We gotta give her a name. You know what? We gonna call her Coronavirus. Because she was given to me or auctioned off to me during the pandemic. Coronavirus. That's what this is. Such an ugly name for such a cute wig. But yeah, y'all, this CD, this Coronavirus. So yeah, that is that. I just wanted to do unboxing of that since that's something fun that I did that I have never done before. I never auctioned on nothing, y'all. Yeah. So that is that for this video. I appreciate y'all tuning in with me, kicking it with Janisa and Forbidden Couture Plus. Maybe 2 videos ago, I said I had a Pretty Little Thing package coming in that I wanted to do a try on haul with y'all. So I recently ordered me a new ring light, because the ring light I had been using was one I made for myself. But you know what? You gotta invest in yourself, and I feel like I needed a new ring light that didn't give me problems. So yeah, so I am waiting currently on my ring light to get in. Hopefully I can shoot that video sooner than later. If it doesn't come within this week, then if my tracking showing that it's not coming within this week, then I'm gonna go ahead and just film that video, because I don't want to have these clothes, this package, this whole time and having y'all wait. So I'm going to see how my tracking is doing probably by Monday or Tuesday and see if it gets here this week. If it does, we're shooting. you for tuning in. Again, leave me some comments, like, share this, subscribe to my channel if you're new to this. And if you are not new to this, make sure you tell a friend and tell a friend. Y'all know how we do. Hey neighbor, let them know about me. Follow me on Instagram at Forbidden Couture Plus. Follow me on Facebook at Forbidden Couture Plus. And if you're getting good with me, I might open up and let you follow me on Snapchat. But yeah, y'all. Again, I appreciate y'all tuning in with me and kicking it with me. And I'll see y'all next time. Bye.